Welcome to our channel. For this video, we will introduce our new type invention of vending machine. It is very useful, especially now in the time of pandemic. The size of the vending machine is suitable for all kind of supermarket and other convenience store. Main kinetic function, up and down, left and right to solve the movement of the goods. The size of the space depends on the type and size of goods. Features of the equipment. Commodity sales and payment do not directly contact with people or face-to-face. The price is clear, easy to pick up goods without bending over, suitable for the elderly. Especially during the pandemic is very important. This is how it works. First, you choose on the screen what item you want to buy. Then, the QR code price will automatically appear on the screen. Using your phone, you will scan it for your payment via GCash or PayMaya. After payment, the machine automatically get the item you want. Thank you for watching.